सो हाय हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं ज़ीशान और आप सबको मेरा सलाम. So what's up people? I hope you all are doing very well. So there's a very good news to all the riders in India is that yes, I'm gonna show you something now.
No, I can't believe I did that. Are you kidding me? Ah. No.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. The jacket saved me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I hit the front brake and it straightened me out. Ah. No, this isn't how I wanted today to go. Exactly why I bought that vest.
Yeah.
It saved me, literally. Lifesaver right here. I hope my helmet's okay.
Alright?
Yeah, we're good. I'm good.
Okay.
I had my vest on. Saved me.
Okay, so you don't need medical response?
No, I'm good.
So the most important part of this product which I'm going to show it to you, I don't have it right now. It has been come to India from Motogear India. You can check them on Instagram, that's at Motogear India. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can go and check it out. So this product is nothing but it's an airbag. Yes, air vent. Now what is air vent? Basically you will be having an airbag in the cars. You have the airbags on airplanes also. So these kind of airbags were there before 2 years back also. It was given from Helite, it was from Alpinsters also. Now the thing is, these airbags were used for the track riders only. These airbags were used by the riders for the long rides. It's well and good. You'll have a safe feeling and you have a safe and very much extra protection. It's just launched in India. It's the first time it's launched by Motogear India. So definitely this airbag is from the Helite Moto, which is getting launched in India now. What does the airbag do? So let's watch the video.
Hi, my name is I ride Motogear India for the past 4 years. I have a group of 20-30 people and we do rides yearly for about 1,200 kilometers every ride. Although we have a lot of safety features on my bike, I always wear Helite airbag vest over my protective gear as a extra added protection as well as peace of mind for me and for my family back home. I'll show you how it looks.
So yeah, you watch the video how it is done. Let me explain you once more. Is that the tether which is coming from that airbag, which you have to get pulled up, then the CO2 deploy inside it and you get an airbag inside the jacket. So thing is, like, you cannot tether that into the handlebar or anywhere else. I mean, like, it has to be put onto the frame of the vehicle. Anywhere in the frame, man, anywhere in the frame you just put it on, man. Handlebar, it's not a good idea as far as I've seen. You better get that thing that you can take that thing into metal frame of the bike, not on the handlebar. You cannot put it on a handlebar and it's not a right way as far as I've seen from the other riders, from the Alpinsters and Helite, and what reviews have seen from them is like you cannot put it into the handlebar, because if you put it into the handlebar there are two conditions. When you get just out from a bike, maybe it gets pulled up, and currently as far as I've seen in the Motogear India's Instagram account, they have given it inside your jacket. There are riding armors, riding jackets, knee pads, ankle pads, everything. This airbag will give you an extra protection. When a rider gets out of it out of his bike, whether he gets slipped up or whether he gets topples up, as soon as your clutch of the airbag gets pulled off, the CO2 will just inject inside the airbag and it will give you a whole amount of air filled in your bag, and you will be just toppling on the airbag. So that is obviously an extra protection. What else I can say? It's definitely an S. It will definitely protect you from getting injuries on chest or the shoulders and also the spinal cords. So normally you'll be having around, like, I don't think so how many grams of CO2 will be there in the airbag. Normally might be there like 60 grams or 70 grams or 50 grams. I don't know about this airbag, which I don't know about this air jacket which is having how many grams of CO2. But one more part I'm concerned about this air jacket is that whether you can change that CO2 or not.
And if that CO2 can be changed, and where will we find that CO2?
Obviously they have to give, but I do not get any idea how is going to that work, whether they are going to change it, where they have given it, because I did not get a whole airbag to get review you all. But anyways, I've just seen a video and I've just made a little bit of research on it and I just deployed to you. So it's in India now, anyone can buy it from the Motogear India. But the thing is, I don't know about the pricing also. I've asked them the pricing. Anyways, if they are watching this video, obviously they are going to comment it down and they will give the pricing, or else you just go on the Instagram account and ping them up. And one more part, definitely protects you. That's 100% sure. It definitely protects. As soon as that tether gets pulled off from your frame and you get deployed into the ground, the CO2 buses up, it deploys in and the airbag comes out, and when you roll it up on the floor, you won't be having any injuries on your shoulder, chest or back or spinal or anywhere. Yeah, you will be wearing the whole riding jacket when you're riding, then it's safe for you. It's an extra safety for you. And yeah, ride safe and keep living. Thank you. Masalam. See you at the next video.